Hi, welcome to Sims. Today's sum. The angles of a triangle are x plus 10 degrees and x plus x minus 20 degrees and x plus 40 degrees. Find the value of x and the measure of the angles. So, let's see the solution. Given that the angles of the triangles are x plus 10 degrees, x minus 20 degrees and x plus 40 degrees. First you find the x value. So, three angles are add x plus 10 degrees plus x minus 20 degrees plus x plus 40 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So, we remove the brackets x plus 10 degrees plus x minus 20 degrees plus x plus 40 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. X plus x is 3x plus 10 minus 20 is minus 10 plus 40 is plus 30 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So, 3x is equal to 180 degrees minus 30 degrees because here plus 30 is changed to right hand side, then the sign is negative. So, 180 degrees minus 30 degrees. 3x is equal to 180 minus 30 is 150 degrees. Here 3 is multiple with x. So, 3 changes to equal to right hand side, then divides the 150. So, x is equal to 150 by 3. 3 cancelled in 150 in 50 times. So, x value is 50. X value is 50. Then you find the measures of the triangle. The angles are, which angles? X plus 10 degrees. So, x value is 50. So, 50 plus 10 is 60 degrees. And another second angle is x minus 20 degrees. So, x value is 50 degrees minus 20 degrees is equal to 30 degrees. And also third angle x plus 40 degrees is equal to x value is 50. 50 degrees plus 40 degrees is equal to 90 degrees. Measure of the angles are 60 degrees, 30 degrees and 90 degrees. This is the solution. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe.